welcome to my awesome world! Hi! Welcome back to McKaylee's Awesome World. And today we're going to be unboxing Friendship Bracelet Making Kit by Funwins. Let's get unboxed. There's more. I'll take out the rest. Okay, a bag. Oh, here's the threads. There's one more piece of thread. I mean, not thread. So these are the instructions. There's two sides. This is big. So here are all the materials that are in the box. So here are the threads. We're gonna find out what these are soon. I think this is what you use to make the bracelets. This is a bag to put everything in when you're finished. Don't know what these are for just yet. And I think these are details for your bracelets. So are these. Let's open the mini packages. Got thread out. So here's a step. This, onto this, onto this. You put this, these, and then you put this with the stickers on it onto one of these threads. Oh, a really mini package. Wow. So these instructions are really important.
Okay, you guys want to wear it?
Yeah. We're going to wear these for the entire video. And I think when you're finished, you put these into here maybe. I can wear these to school because there's a little castle here. Mine has a unicorn on it. This has a unicorn on it? And a bow. Mine has a seashell. I think a mermaid and a moon. Does yours have a seashell? Yeah, but I do. I think the seashell is really pretty. I do have a crown. Yeah, they're really pretty. One. that one is. So this is how to put the little buttons on. You wrap it around it. There we go. You can twist it. Then after that, you're pretty much finished. So it can break a little easily. So be careful. But there we go. Of course, I'm not wearing the bracelet to bed. That would hurt. We're gonna snip these parts.
Wearing this bracelet to bed.
We still need to cut that part.
Yeah, we still need to cut these parts. Pretty much did here. We just need to cut these little parts. But after that, we're pretty much done. The banana split. Since there's two strings and the other one. But we're finished. And look, it has a little bow. for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.